Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how to use the Textbox as a text editor or markup in Revu 21. Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, navigate to the Tools menu and select the Textbox tool from the Markups option. Now, click and drag to draw a text box of your desired size. A cursor will appear inside your text box, prompting you to type. Type the text you want. Once you are done, use the Select tool from the navigation bar and go to the Font section of your Markup Editor bar to change its size or font. The properties will apply to the entire text as you have selected the text box as a whole. To edit the selected text, select the desired text and make changes in the Markup Editor. Your changes will only apply to the text you have selected. You can also add a visible line style to your text box. Let's increase the line thickness to make it visible. You can select different line styles or create your own line styles by clicking the Manage option at the top. You can also make your text box opaque by choosing the fill color and decreasing its opacity to make content on your PDF visible behind your text markup. Similarly, you can change text color by choosing a color under the Font section. You have additional text styling options available for your choice. Let's add some more text below to see these options in action. Now select your text box or your desired text and go to the Style menu. Here, you can adjust the line spacing to suit your requirements. You can also add a margin from where your text starts. For these options, you can also use shortcuts Ctrl+B, I, or U to make your text bold, italic, or underlined. You can also choose your font type to your required preferences. Now, if you click the Shape drop-down, you can change the shape of your text box. You can draw a perfect square-shaped text box by holding your Shift key while drawing your text box. This is it for today. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, your go-to partner for all things Bluebeam.